Hi mga higala, welcome back to my channel. Ug karon higala maadtot na pudta sa dola ni RJ. Kay karon man ilang dola nagpractice sila gahapon. Nya karon dola na pod. So, moadto ta mga higala. Ang dola karon mga higala kay didto mi sa praktisanan nga field. Kay nagulan magud ni aging adlaw niya. Ang idulaan nila sa una ni RJ kay nagdanaw man, so manang ibalhin sa praktisanan nga dulaan. So tara na, nana sila. Okay, let's go. Tara.
Get the info.
Oh, this shade is so bright.
What shade?
This is my shade.
Any more emails? Texts?
I'm looking.
I'm bringing the water, a chair, an umbrella.
I don't know what it was.
Drop you off right by the dugout. Then we have to park in left field.
Yung mga higala, huwag naabot na mi dinhi sa baseball field. Huwag na ay laing nagdola. Silang RJ nag-practice pa dito. There is the team of RJ. They go inside. Getting ready.
Looks like OJ standing there.
There's RJ.
Where?
Standing. Oh,
What's that?
yeah.
Some of them look the same.
The same. Yellow, vice, light blue. Oh my goodness. Wow, first bat ha. He hit right away.
I think they're doomed to go 0-8. They're 0-3 now.
My goodness.
Yeah.
Get a almost sub score.
He's not on the field.
Oh no. Starting the batting. We here in the car. It's so far away.
We didn't even bother fun. Tipped it.
Oh my goodness.
Strike two.
Hit RJ the ball. Oh my god. Strike.
2 outs. I put him at shortstop.
Yes,
that's it.
RJ.
That's what lose the team.
Number 4.
The most important position. He's at.
Yes. Here's RJ.
Were they strikes?
The first one was definitely a strike. And then I swung at the second one. And then the third one, it looked low to me.
Yeah.
Uh,
You need water?
what?
You want
No,
water?
I have water.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
RJ.
so far Pax has 3 strikeouts. The pitcher that's Tyson's pitching right now, he pitched the last inning and next inning he's gonna pitch.
I call them mercy rolls.
Yeah, he struck out 2. So yeah, there's a batting line up there. So my places, the first inning, second, shortstop.
Glad you made the play.
What did you think of me at shortstop?
Made that one play. I was proud of you.
And then next, yeah, well, I just at a third. No, wait, not third. I mean center field. And then next, I think I'm gonna be at first. And then third, maybe.
Okay.
Probably not, but
Well,
maybe.
you only been up once.
Yeah, I don't know the score. Like is like 3 feet away from the outfield. Okay, see you later.
Si RJ na. Oh, not yet. Here's lineup. RJ is batting. RJ in the third base, my goodness.
Nice.
Here again, RJ. Other lows, RJ.
Yeah. That's how I struck out.
Yeah.
The
Well,
first ball was a strike.
he's calling a strike. Yeah.
The first ball was a strike. The second ball was nowhere. So I'm like, what?
He called a strike.
Yeah. And then the next ball was a ball. And then the fourth pitch,
He took.
he called. I took because of the way like over here.
Your teammates striking out too.
Yeah.
There you
Not
go.
getting any walks. This pitch is good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Trying to get walks. We have scored 1 run.
Home runs, was it? I know that.
Look at these people. Ang dami ng tao dito. Ooh! Nagkanang daghanag tao. Kunay laing modula din hin. This is finish. Other loss. Bataban. Even lost. There he is. What you have, RJ? Ooh. Dr. Pepper. Oh my goodness.
That's all I have.
Oh, that's Pringles.
What's that? Sprinkles.
Original.
Ooh. We here now mga higala in Burger King. Miss Daddy and RJ, we go to inside. Here is the choices of food. So, mapaabot lang ko diri nila. Kaya nagpalit pa sila og panihapon. Why you back?
Daddy doesn't want it.
What's wrong,
Because
RJ?
it's hot in there.
It's hot. Okay. Have no dinner for daddy.
Go to Kentucky Fried Chicken now.
Okay. Guys, okay mga higala. O karon na napod mi sa KFC. Ay, dili siya ganahan dito kay init kayo. Wala aircon. So, balhin. Kentucky Fried Chicken. KFC. Di siya mo uyog daddy niya ni balik. There's other taco Del Taco, the other restaurant. So ako magpaabot lang ko dire. Ako ray driver nila.